monitors above our heads, about 350 feet on the other side of it. The dam at its base is 660 feet thick. So, if you were to measure from that wall all the way to the end of this ring, that distance is 650 feet. We still need to add 10 feet to that distance to get the thickness of the dam. That's a lot.
That's massive.
Now looking down the floor you're standing on, you see how beautiful marble terrazzo flooring. We have about 121,000 square feet of this surrounding facility. You'll also see the blue and covered bay floor in front of you. Now the Arizona wing is almost a mirror image of the Nevada wing. All of this floor, the floor in the Arizona side, was installed by the Martina family between 1936 and 1937 for a cost just under $60,000. That's right, I said 60,000. Some of you will laugh, but you know what's coming. Replace this floor today, millions and millions of dollars. I'm not sure if we got this one. As a matter of fact, it's 3.5 inches thick. All the lines were designed by the artist Alex are true. They each represent functions of dam, water, and power. The one I'm standing above represents power, the outlet on one side. The big round behind you guys over here represents water, speed, and turbine. There are many more of these throughout the facility, all this will be.